Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by adding the languages you want. This is the first actionable step. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Language, and choose Add a Language. Select the language and pick the keyboard layout you need. Make sure to include any regional variants. Once done, Windows may download language features. Allow that. You're setting the system-level inputs so applications will detect them automatically, which avoids per-app configuration later. Now configure how you switch. Go to Advanced Keyboard Settings and pick your preferred shortcut, such as Win plus space for quick cycling or Alt plus Shift for a 2-key toggle. You should also set your preferred language order so your most used layout is first. This matters because some apps inherit the last used layout. Once configured, practice the shortcut to confirm the switch happens instantly. If an app ignores it, make sure per-app input settings aren't enabled. Finish by testing the new keyboard layouts in multiple apps: text editor, browser, and your messaging app. If switching doesn't take effect, restart Explorer or sign out and sign back in. This refreshes input services. Make sure the language bar or system tray icon is visible so you can manually pick a layout if shortcuts fail. One key troubleshooting tip: verify no third-party keyboard manager is overriding system shortcuts. Disable it temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.